Okay, children, now we can learn al-adadu wal-ma'dud. What is al-adadu wal-ma'dud? Do you remember what is adad ma'dud? This already we learned in the first lesson. How to say the number and the countable things in Arabic. For the first one and second one, 1 and 2 we learned. The rules of 1 and 2 we learned. Today we can learn till 10. Are you ready? For that, first we have to understand the number. Now look at here. You can see the numbers from 1 to 10 are Arabic. This already you learned, but once again I am repeating. Okay. For 1, wahidun. Wahid, 1. Isnan, 2. Thalatha, 3. Arba'a, 4. Khamsa, 5. Sitta, 6. Sab'a, 7. Thamaniya, 8. Tis'a, 9. Ashara, 10. The first Wahid and Isnan, the rules we learned earlier. Today we can learn from 3 to 10. But I repeat once again, Wahid and Isnan. Okay. We learned how to say one book, one pen in Arabic, and one girl, like that. For female and the male have different rules that already we learned. Once again we can see Kitabun Wahidun, one book. Already we told the rules. When we are saying 1 and 2, first we have to mention the noun, countable thing. Here that is kitab. Then the number we have to say, and it both will be in same gender. The number and the countable thing both will be in same gender, in same format. That is kitabun wahidun. Okay. Then here another female word I had given, majallatun. What is majalla? Do you know? Magazine. One magazine. Magazine majallatun. That is a female word. So the number also we have to make in female form. Majallatun wahidatun. One magazine. If it is one girl, how to say? Bintun wahidatun. One boy, waladun wahidun. Same gender will be. Number and the countable thing both will be in same gender, and we will say first the countable thing, then the number. Now see the two books, how to say. Book we already told kitabun. Then one wahidun, kitabun wahidun. Now we want to change it to two books. Two books. As we know, in Arabic there is form for singular, dual and plural. But in other languages only singular and plural we will use. But in Arabic, singular for one, singular for two we will use dual, and the three or more we will use plural. So here two we can see Isnan, number Isnan. Like that the countable things format also we have to change. Kitaban. Kitaban change it to Kitaban. Kitabani Isnani. Two books. Kitabani Isnani. Two books. Then next female we can see. For one magazine we told Majallatun. Majallatun Wahidatun. That also we have to change it to dual form. Majallatani Isnatani. Majallatani Isnatani. Isnani change it to Isnatan. Female form. Majallatani Isnatani. If it is two girls, how to say? Bintani Isnatani. Two tables. Tawilatani isnatani, like this. This already we learned the rule of 1 and 2. Okay. Now we can learn the rules of 3 to 10. Now we can see the rules of from 3 to 10. Okay. First I will say 3. Same rule will follow for till from 3 to 10. All the numbers same rule. Okay. So as we know, we learned the numbers. For 3 we will say salasat. Salasat. Okay. 1 and 2 I told. First we have to say the countable thing, then the number. That only in 1 and 2. Now we can see the 3 to 10. First we have to say the number. Rules, please listen. From 3 to 10, first we have to say the number, then the countable thing. And one more rule is there, that is opposite gender we will use. Did you understand what is opposite gender? If the countable thing is male, we have to use the number in female form. And if the countable thing is female, we have to use the number in male form. And the countable number will come first and the thing later. Okay. See the example, then we can understand easily. Salasatu kutubin. And one more rule, the countable thing we have to say in the plural form. In the plural form. So we should know the plural of each noun. Kitab, that is a singular form. Its plural kutub. Kutub. So here we are using the plural form, and that noun will carry its harakat kasra tanween. In kutubin kasra tanween. Okay. Salasatu kutubin. If the noun is, if the thing is male, we have to use the number in female form. Salasatu, because kitab, that is a male. Here we have to use the number in female form. Salasatu. And we have to use the plural of the noun. Kutub. The last letters harakat will be kasra tanween. Salasatu kutubin. Salasatu kutubin. Now we can see the female form. Majallat. We know majallat, that is female. So the number should be in male form. How to make the number into female and male? If the number having rounded tha, it will be female form. No rounded tha is there, it will be male form. So salasatu, change it to salasu. Rounded tha will not be there. Salasu. Majallatun plural, majallat. So we can say salasu majallatin. One more example I will say, it will be so clear. Okay. Walad, you know walad. We want to say 3 boys. First we can see, is it male or female? Walad, male. So the countable number should be in female form. Salasatu. Then we have to know the plural form of walad. That we know awlad. Salasatu awladin. Then how to say 3 girls? Bint, that is female. So we have to make the number in male form. Salasu. Bintin plural, banat. Salasu banatin. Salasatu awladin. Salasu banatin. In this format we can say all the numbers from 3 to 10. Now we can see here all the numbers from 3 to 10. Okay. How to say, I told 3, the rule of 3. Same rule following for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, we can see that. 3 boys. Salasatu awladin. 3 girls. Salasu banatin. Then 4 boys. We know 4. Arba'at. Waladun jamma awlad. So we can make arba'atu awladin. Then girls. 4 girls. arba'u banatin. Arba'u banatin. Then 5 boys. 5 khamsat. Awlad boys. Khamsatu awladin. Khamsatu awladin. 5 girls. Khamsu banatin. That will not be there. Okay. Khamsu banatin. Then how to say 6 boys? Sittat. Sittatu awladin. Sittatu awladin. 6 girls. Sittu. Sittu banatin. Sittu banatin. Then 7 boys. Sab'atu awladin. Sab'atu awladin. 7 girls. Sab'u banatin. Sab'u banatin. Then 8 boys. Thamaniyatu awladin. Thamaniyatu awladin. 8 girls. Thamaniyu banatin. Thamaniyu banatin. 9 boys. Tis'atu awladin. Tis'atu awladin. 9 girls. Tis'u banatin. Tis'u banatin. 10 boys. Asharatu awladin. Asharatu awladin. 10 girls. Asharu banatin. Asharu banatin. Now did you understand everything? Here the important points to note that from 3 to 10 the countable number will begin first, then the countable thing, and the number will be in opposite gender. If the noun is male, the number should be in female form. If the number in female form, the countable thing should be in male form. Opposite gender will be there. And another thing, the countable thing will be used in plural form. Plural form. And one more thing, that should be carrying kasra tanween. These points we have to note when we are making the sentence from 3 to 10. More examples you can practice, then it will be so easy. I'll give more works to do, more words to complete, to write. Okay? Practice well.